Welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. I like to go over subtraction rules with integers, and let's just dive right into it. The first step when you are subtracting positive and negative numbers, those are integers, is you perform what I call a keep, change, change, right? K.C.C. Keep, change, change. All right, so as you can see here, we have a negative 3 minus or subtracting a positive 4. So right now, the negative 3, the positive 4, it's not important because we are going to keep a negative 3. We're going to change that subtraction to addition. And in order to do that, we have to change this last term from positive to negative. And then it has become a addition problem. And once it becomes an addition problem, we follow the addition rules. If you haven't seen my addition adding two rules for integers, please take an opportunity, review, watch those. So the negative 3, we kept it negative 3. The subtraction, we changed to addition. The positive 4, we changed to a negative 4. Hey, now it's addition rules. Remember, same signs add, different signs subtract. So here I have a negative 3 and a negative 4. These signs are the same. These signs are the same. So now we follow the addition rules. And simply put, again, same sign, add, and keep the sign. So 4 plus 3 is 7. They're the same sign, so we keep that sign in our answer. The answer is a negative 7. Think of it like this. Hey, you owe me $3, and then you just borrowed another $4. How much do you owe me in total? You owe me $7. Better be ready to pay up that $7. Okay, moving forward. Let's take a look at a few more examples. And remember, this is the subtraction rule, right? With integers, those are positive and negative numbers. So anytime we're subtracting with positive and negative numbers, again, subtracting, we do a keep, change, change. What does that do? That changes it into an addition problem. And you know those rules. Same sign, add, different sign, subtract. So let's take a look here at this example for problem number 1. Hey, we're going to keep it, change it, change it. Go ahead and push pause. Check your answer. See how well you're going to do just with the keep, change, change. All right, so that negative 2, we're going to keep it a negative 2. We're going to change that subtraction to addition, and we're going to change that negative 7 into a positive 7. Right, there we go. Now you need to follow the addition rules, right? Negative 2, we keep it a negative 2. Change the subtraction to addition. That negative 7 is now changed to a positive 7. Addition rule, same sign, add. Different signs, subtract. Keep the sign of the larger. So which is larger? Negative 2. What do I have more of? Let me put it that way. What do I have more values of? A negative 2 or positive 7, right? So I'm trying to show you that here. Here I have only two negative values. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positive values. So I do have more of the positive values. Addition rule, when the signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the larger. So different signs, subtract, keep the sign of the larger number. So 7 minus 2 is 5. I have more positives than negatives, so that's the sign I keep in my answer. All right, let's see here. I got some more examples for you. Let's take a look. And here we go. We got number 2 here. We have positive 10 minus a negative 12. So because it's subtraction, first thing I do is I do a keep, change, change. I'm going to keep that positive 10, positive 10. Going to change subtraction to addition. Going to change the negative 12 into a positive 12. Now, you can see here, it's addition rule. Remember, addition rule, same signs, add and keep the sign. That's what we're looking at here. 10 plus 12 is 22. Keep the sign because they're the same signs. They're both positive. The answer is a positive 22. All right, if I'm going too fast, go ahead and rewind, stop, pause, do whatever you need to do to get that good understanding. Number 3. And remember, this is keep, change, changes only for subtraction, because it's going to change it into an addition problem. Follow the addition rules after K.C.C, or keep, change, change. So negative 15 minus a positive 15, you're going to keep it a negative 15. You're going to change that subtraction or negative into a positive or a plus. You're going to change the positive 15 into a negative 15. Now, we have an addition problem. Same signs, add and keep the same sign, right? We change it from subtraction to addition. Follow the addition rules. So here I'm showing you 15 plus 15 equals 30. They're the same sign. Keep that same sign in your answer. I'm just buzzing along here. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 4. Number 4. Positive 25 minus or subtracted positive 50. So anytime you see a subtraction problem, you perform a keep, change, change. Keep it a positive 25. Change subtraction to addition. Change that positive 50 to a negative. Now you're going to follow the addition rules, right? Same signs, add, different signs. These are both different signs you subtract. So I'm going to subtract 50 from 25. That leaves me 25. Are there more positives or more negatives? Well, I've got 50 negatives versus 25 positives. I'm going to keep that negative in my answer. And so here, you hopefully understand adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers. Now, I'm not promoting any websites. I'm just giving you some good advice to practice these new skills, hopefully, that you've learned. You can do an internet search using any browser of your choosing. You want to search the internet for worksheets. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing integer worksheets with answers, and check those answers. If you got a problem wrong, follow the steps, recognize your mistake, don't do it again. That's going to make you a much stronger student. Learn from your mistakes. Mistakes are a golden road to knowledge. And remember, practice, 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 practice. Check your answers. Practice, practice, practice. Hey, hope you enjoyed this rendition of Math is Easy, step by step.